Alright, into a brand new month, and the late afternoon is here as we begin the first weekend of March and meteorological spring. March 1st, 2025, CN Hayes here, 1556, coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barents Main at milepost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. We'll have the roll-by of today's S775, 81 of the first. And you've just seen that was the return of the new CN3375 that was previously built as GECX nee-BNSF 944CW4515. She's doing the honors to lead it here for the northbound trip. And rear DPU will be Tier 4 Credit ES44AC 2959. Because they were previously on the S775 51 of the 24th earlier during the overnight hours as of 1:15, and then the power came back to West Ladysmith as seen in an earlier video. So now there they are on today's S775 81 of the first as they picked up some loads likely from the Poskin plant, probably 25 of them, and then the other 78 from Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. So we'll check them out on the roll as this will head bound to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada via CPKC. And hand it off to them from there. So let's check out the rest of the roll-by as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Total axle is 420. They're an hour and 47 minutes away, well, 48 minutes away from sundown. Other than that, I hear the rear DPU now of the E2959 with the last of it already, right at line 102. And we're going to hear the 2959 open up the throttle yet again as we'll battle the hill that leads into the Ladysmith and roll up the north wide, head north from there. SHQX 2006 to bring up the last of the S775. Let's hear the 2959 open up the throttle. for today's S775, 81 of the first, and we'll do it for the new CN3375 and the CN2959, and we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin, to begin the first weekend of March and the first days of meteorological spring. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.